Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download and install IPA files in iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide how to download and install an IPA file on your iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we have a few methods to do this. The first one is OTA deployment or over-the-air deployment that enables you to install your built-in apps that IPA via HTTPS. So the steps to install apps via this method is as follows. So step one is download the .ipa file to your device or cloud. After that, upload the .ipa to any such site, which create a shareable installation uh, install-on-air.com. For this example, we're going to use that. As you can see here, open the above link, which is install-on-air.com, and upload your IPA file. Once the files get uploaded, click on submit button and wait for the shareable link to get generated. Share the link via mail or other mediums to open it on the targeted mobile device. So that means you need to open it on the iPhone you want to install it in. And then lastly, install the app on a mobile device by opening the shared link through install on air, and you are ready to test once the app gets installed on your device. And it's very, very straightforward. It's very easy. It's very safe. It's not dangerous. It's safe. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.